Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome, and this is a rather gorgeous 1966 MGB GT Mark 1. Hope you like it. Okay, now as it's so windy outside, we're going to do the walk around appraisal video inside. So first thing we'll do is just take a slow walk around it. Really lovely early MGB GT. It's a Mark 1, it's 1966. I think it was registered in May 66. And the first ones I think were summer 65. So totally correct spec. Wire wheels. Restored by the last owner, who's a well-known client of ours. He's an ex-panel beater and paint sprayer. Was restored by him in 2022. Having been found as a barn find, effectively. But there she is. Okay, we'll start here at the front right-hand corner. Beautifully finished in mineral blue, which is probably my favourite colour for these. I think it was actually the launch colour for the GT. Just really, really nice paint finish on it. As I say, the previous owner is an ex-professional panel beater and restorer. Done a very, very good job. Paint all around the front end is nice. There are one or two little tiny rust spots just on the front bumper, just down here, but I think once we've given that a good scrub with some Solvol Autosol, they will come off. Looking at the light bowl and around the light on the near side, it's all very good there. Looking down the near side, absolutely straight as it should be down there. Very good indeed. This near side front wheel is all good. And if I can get down low enough, because I've got a very bad back, that's the correct seam gap down there for the near side front wing. And those are the seams on the top of the near side front wing, which is all good. Roof is all nice. Nice to see it's got little door mirrors on it, or clip-on sort of window mirrors to avoid cutting the body. Near side door is all good. Interior, the doors I think, well, they're either restored or new. I've seen photographs of them. I can't work out if they were brand new doors or the originals restored, but certainly got the correct door furniture for an early car, with the opening handle there. Show you the A post. Dash is all correct for an early car, no radio in it, and the correct switches, as is the interior in black leather piped in white. There is some patination on the leather. Possibly the leather wasn't redone. The leather does look slightly older than the rest of the car restoration, but nothing wrong with that. It's all very good. And if we go up here to the headlining, that's all nice as well. Nice to see it's still got its original steering wheel fitted, rather than a replacement. But yeah, all good in there. And in the back, obviously you've got vestigial seating in the back. Carrying on round. Seam on the top of the passenger wing is all as it should be. And going back to under here again, there's a seam line just underneath the door, which is correct for a B. Near side rear wheel is all good. Around the back end, it's all very, very nice indeed. We'll just open the tailgate. That's all nice in there. Rear bumper's good. Proper GT badging. Looking down the offside, apart from the driver's door sitting a very tiny amount proud, unless I just haven't shut it properly. So look. Now, the driver's door does sit very, very slightly proud. But aside from that, very straight down the offside. Again, that wire wheel is in good shape. And down underneath here, we've got the right seams front and back on the sills. Again, the seam on the top of the offside front wing, all good. Offside front wing is all nice around the headlamp bowls. It's all very good indeed. Let's go back to inside on the driver's side for you. Again, door cards are all very nice. Dash, now it's showing 44,000 miles. We've got no way of telling if that's correct or not. I know when the previous owner found it, it was showing about 41,000 miles, but you know, we just don't know. So I obviously can't guarantee that that mileage is being correct. But you never know, it might be. There's the headlining. There's all the driver's seat, although the seat belt's kind of in the way. Yeah, all as it should be in there. Instruments are all nice. Just a very, very, very nice car. Nice early MGB GT in probably, well, say to my mind, the best colour for them. So there we have it. Hope you like it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. Or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.